They came and lined up even before the crack of dawn. And by the time the distribution for the 20 peso a kilo rice kicked off before 7 a.m., the line snaked their way many times over and the 750 beneficiary quota was exceeded. So many had to be turned away. Our Gab Humilde took his team to the maiden launch of government's cheap rice program at Makati City's Poblacion district, and he filed this report.
The Department of Agriculture or DA has officially rolled out the Benteng Bigas Meron Na program in Makati City as part of government's expansion of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s flagship food initiative amid rising food prices caused by current tensions in the Middle East. Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr., Makati City Mayor Nancy Binay, MMDA Chairperson Don Artes, and Makati officials were present at the ceremonial launch. 750 beneficiaries from the vulnerable sector, such as senior citizens, persons with disabilities, solo parents, minimum wage earners, transport workers, and other low to lower middle income households, purchased 20 pesos per kilo of rice. According to Secretary Laurel, 100% local rice is sold for the P20 program. The DA also targeted to increase the number of Kadiwa ng Pangulo outlets nationwide by 1,800 this year, from the current 900 outlets.
Meron kaming existing budget na 5 billion na ginagamit from last year pa. May 4 billion pa kami doon na ginagamit. For this year, 19 billion mo nakalaan dito. So we're confident that we can sustain this until with the present budget until end of the year.
The Makati LGU, on the other hand, will make 20 peso rice available 5 times a week in the city.
Sisikapin din namin na mas dagdagan pa yung outlets sa mga palengke. Kakayanin na meron kami sigurong set na parang sasakyan na mag-ikot para kasi nakita natin ngayon medyo nahihirapan yung mga senior citizens natin na buhatin to 10 kilos of rice. So, ang pwede ibababa na namin talaga bahay to bahay to 10 kilos.
To improve targeting and transparency of the program, authorities deploy the PBBM registry system where every purchaser has a QR code to monitor their purchases at the Kadiwa outlets. Cecil is one of those who are able to buy 20 pesos of rice today. Buying 20 pesos of rice is a big help in her budgeting from the rice she used to buy at up to 60 pesos per kilo.
Laking lesson na 20 pesos na kilo kasi more than kalahati.
Erlinda also shared the same feeling about the 20 pesos per kilo of rice remaining from their daily expenditure.
Malaking tulong po sa mga senior din po. Sa mahal ng kilo ng yung isang kilong bigas, parang maging 3 kilo na.
Other beneficiaries from the program are also thankful.
Maraming salamat po na po sa kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at binigyan niya ang taga-Makati ng ganito dito sa amin.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.